Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to create a locked and unlocked camera, and we're going to create a simple code for moving our camera back to our player. So it's a couple of different functions. It's very simple to implement. We'll go into here into our RTS camera that we were working on before, and we're going to want to create a new transform for target. Now this is going to be our player. Now for camera locked, we want to check if our camera should be locked onto our target, or if we could move it freely around the place. And so I created a new GUI button for camera locked. So every time this is pressed, it'll either lock or unlock the camera. So that's for that. And then I created something for left shift. So it'll move the camera to the X and Z coordinates of our player, which will be our target. So if it's anywhere on the map, it'll teleport it back to above our player. Now I did -50 here because if it's centered completely, the camera will be a little bit too far up and I want it to be more downward, so I did -50 for that. So that's for that. And then if camera locked equals false, then we should be able to move our camera around. And else if camera locked equals true, it should lock the camera in place so that we can't move it around at all. So that's the basics for the script. We can go check it out real quick. The script should already be on your camera. Now you can see here we can move around freely how we were before, but if I press shift, it will center it back to our player. So wherever I am on the map, I can hit shift and it'll recenter right onto there. And so now we can do something for locked camera. So now it is locked and it will follow our player. No matter where I move on the screen, it won't move. And if I hit center, it won't, or if I hit shift, it won't center or do anything because it's already centered where I want it to be. So if we hit unlock camera, now we can move it around freely again. So it's a simple way to implement a locked and unlocked camera. So that might be the only thing we're doing for this tutorial. I might make one more tutorial on how to zoom in and change the rotation. If you see a lot of cameras on like League of Legends and stuff, you can zoom in further into your character and focus on them more. So I might be doing one more just on zooming in the camera and changing the angle as it zooms in. But until then, yep, here's the new camera code.